Okay, in this video we're just going to talk about a few of the sections. First we'll start off with personnel. Obviously you can click right there on this link here for personnel to open up that form, or you can click on it from here. You open up personnel data. First thing, okay, we forgot to relink the file, so if you get an error that looks like this, you just hit OK. Utilities, link table manager. This is how easy it is. Always prompt, select all, so it selects here. Hit OK, go to your desktop or wherever you unzipped your file. You probably want to put this on your C drive, someplace where you're not going to accidentally delete it. And then you're going to go in data file, and then you're going to double click on the back end. And all this was we talked about this in the introduction video if you need to go back and look at that. Then we'll hit close, again, personnel data, and there you go. So here I already got some data in here. So if I want to, I can click on current data sheet. I can see that current soldier's information. I can go to my print preview screen, and then I have plenty of options in here for this, including exporting to a PDF file. I can also print all data sheets, so as many data sheets as I have I can print. As you can see, we're going through different soldiers. I can import data, so I don't have to just use one set of data. I can import whatever I want, and all I gotta do is I can just highlight the fields that I want. If I want to hide some fields, I'll click on show and hide. It'll tell you need to make sure you got a social security number or some kind of unique identifier for each soldier. Hit OK, and you can see I start getting rid of some of the fields that I might not need. Of course, I'm gonna put them all back. Hit OK. And right here, it'll tell you everything you need to know to how to use that show and hide button, just as a reminder. Then all I gotta do is highlight the fields after I copied from Excel, right click, and then I would just select the paste option. Close that. Here you have your blank data sheets. So you can print out 4 sheets is what's in here to make sure you cover all the information that you have on your S1 form. And you can have them bring it back to you later. You can send this out as a PDF and have your companies fill it out and give it back to you as well. Here I have my easy to use buttons, new soldier and delete. So I'll add a new soldier, or I can delete one. Okay, we'll close that out. Next thing you have is awards. Got the awards tracker. As you can see here, now you got all your basic information. All the information that you enter on the personnel form will already be in here. So if there was no awards, then it would still show up in here, but there just wouldn't be any data right here. So what I can do is I can just delete this. And as you can see, we'll go back and forth, and you see I don't have anything. Now if I want to add an award, just hit new. Enter in any stuff that I want to, PCS, presentation date, etc. Now I'll just hit close, and you see it's all entered in there. Now if I want to enter an award, or the award's information, let's say we've gone from pending, now we're approved. The award given, well first we gotta have recommended, so we'll say ARCOM. We'll say ARCOM again, and you got it. Location reason, if we would have routed it, we would have put approval. The orders number, we gave up to 4 digits on each side in case you have up to 1,000 or more. And just a note is that you should be using the Julian date, so 0241 would be our Julian date, and 001, and then the orders date, and any remarks that I might want. Now I'm going to look at my last orders issued, and as you can see, the one I just entered is inputted there. Now if I want to, I can go ahead and print this out on a routing sheet, and I'll actually, on the routing sheet, you'll actually have to fill in the information because it's different for the routing sheet. And you can put date received, etc., and then I just print current, and then it'll already have my routing data in there for that soldier and what kind of action it is. Now if I wanted, that was personnel action, but I could easily just put award, and then print out current, and then it shows award. And then also I can print all if I inputted more than one. Okay, that's it for this segment. I covered personnel and awards, and when I come back we'll cover actions and finance and leaves.